Hello guys, it's Batuhan. I'm going to tell that this is the new product of B2Metric SaaS, and I'm going to tell you how to see your sessions on your website and by using B2Metric SaaS. This is the B2Metric main page and main dashboard view. You can see the all another tab in this section: Insight tab, ML Lab tab, and Audience tab and Campaign Optimization tab. These are divided tab on dashboard view and dashboard page. And then today we are going to talk about the new product of B2Metric, and the product is Session Replay, as I said. Let's take a look. I'm going to move to Session Replay tab. This is the Session Replay tab without any filter or any settings. This tab is set by me, and we can view this tab. This is the demo account, and we can review this main page. Now let's play session. This shows us exactly what user sees, and we can watch how they navigate, where they click, and where they get stuck, and where they get engaged with these captured events. These captured events by B2Metric with B2Metric Web SDK. B2Metric is capturing all of these events, and you can see all of these events by divided data and divided section. If you move to specific section, you can click the tab and you can click the captured event, and you can view it. On the right side, as I said, we have the event log. Every interaction, like scrolling and resizing on screen, is listed here chronologically. And then these timeline section combined with the timeline markers below, B2Metric make it incredibly easy to understand your users. We can move it as it ends. This is the another session. This section is containing another captured events data, and let's watch the users how engage with our demo account. If to watch the users click or engage session, you can understand your users and your users insights, and you can make your website customized, and you can create the campaigns for your users and your audience customized. Each card represents a real user journey, and you can instantly see their location, and in here location, device type, and any friction points they faced. And then you can click the session and you can make it detailed, and you can click the captured events. Also, to find the most relevant data, you have powerful filtering options you can set. You can set a minimum session duration on this section, and to skip short visits. For deeper analysis, open the advanced filter menu. Here you can drill the drop down by specific attributes such as user ID, country, device type, or even browser version. These granular controls helps you isolate a specific user segment or technical environment instantly. Let's set a channel, no option, or country. Yes, these countries are divided and drop down section, and we can move to specific country if we want to see specific countries, users, and audience. This area helps us to understand which customer are engaged with our website and how they did to this. Thank you for your listening, guys, and let's take a look our session and our customer engaged.